Hey guys, we're back. We're making stuff. We're killing people. No, wait. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made a gingerbread house inspired by the Amityville Horror. So before you start the dough or the icing or anything like that, you should make templates for what the house is going to look like. So you can use them kind of as like cookie cutters. It just helps with the whole construction. So once you do that, next you can go and work on the dough. So you're gonna want to start with a good gingerbread base. Now you can either make that by scratch or you can buy a mix. Now I gotta give a big shout out to my husband who picked up this mix for me. Your girl's been having some anxiety and it's been kind of hard getting out of the house sometimes, but he was so sweet and picked it up for me. So this video would not be possible without my husband. Let's give him a little round of applause. Yes. So I took the mix that he got for me and I just followed the directions. All you need is butter or margarine, an egg, and water. I don't even think you need to add the water because the mix got so sticky and I had to add a lot more flour to the mix just to kind of equalize the moisture because it was just so sticky. So you just roll it out and you use your templates to cut out your sides and your roof and all of that, and you're gonna want to put them on I greased my cookie sheets just in case I didn't want anything to potentially stick, and so I baked those. I saw something else really cool on the internet where you could make like stained glass or colored windows if you just put like crushed up candy into the cutout window and then bake it again. So what I did is I got some lifesavers. I knew I wanted the iconic windows to have like a red color. So I took the red lifesavers, crushed them up, put them into the little spaces. It would definitely be helpful if you're going to do this to lay it down on some parchment paper or like a silicone mat or something like that if you have it. I didn't want to do all that. So I did something that you could do. It's not gonna look super pretty on the opposite side, but you're not even gonna see that side, so it doesn't even matter. I put down a little bit of cornstarch because cornstarch is usually used to separate like candy so they don't stick together. This isn't the greatest solution, but I would say that it did do its job. The candy did not stick to the pan. So I baked that. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. So next, you gotta make your icing. So I just took my egg whites, I took my little bit of vinegar, I took my powdered sugar, and I whipped it up to make a beautiful icing that worked really well. So now that I had my icing, I could start to decorate the gingerbread. And then after I did that, that's when I was able to assemble. Then I played with the windows. I took a flashlight and I shined it through so that the windows glowed. So I hope you enjoyed watching the process of how I made this Amityville gingerbread house, and hopefully it will inspire you to make something a little odd this holiday season. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye. Over the past few days, this gingerbread house and I have become really good friends, and we've been doing all of like the typical things that good friends do, like, you know, tricking them into thinking we're taking a photo and we're actually taking a video. Say cheese. It's a video. And telling each other secrets. Yes, I do want to kill everybody. And, you know, like playing with fire